Alright, here's real life Slither IO applying a screen protector. So you get the spudger and you push the snake around and it eats the other ones just like that. Look at that. Real life Slither IO. See? And as you continue, as you continue eating the snakes, you just eventually push them all to the edge to get rid of them. But yeah, real life Slither IO. This is how you apply screen protectors. And you want to be careful. You don't want to push the bubble off the edge if there's still bubbles in the center, because you need the big bubble to help you get these small bubbles. Alright, anyways, hopefully you guys like this video. See you all later. Bye. Oh, just in case you guys wanted to see what it looks like when you push a bubble to the edge. So there's a tiny bubble down there. We're going to get that. Alright. And that one. Alright, so once you reach the edge, you see, it just gets sucked out. Right, oh, it formed another bubble. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.